This video is dedicated to safety on the fleet, and it is called emergency steering of the ship. The recent collision of the container ship Dali sailing under the pilotage. This bridge pillar in the city of Baltimore, USA, led to the collapse of the entire bridge and the deaths of at least 6 people and serious damage of the container ship. On this, due to the probably poor quality of the fuel, a blackout occurred. Suggestive about the need to strengthen crew training in emergency control of the ship directly from the emergency steering compartment. In this case, the following must be taken into account. If a steering device fails, you must first try to switch the ship control to no follow-up mode. In this mode, control of the ship's rudder blade bypasses all systems. It is directly. Good day for everybody. At the very beginning, I would like to briefly show the atmosphere of the ships and all the processes and sounds that take place in it. Enjoy it! But then non-follow-up method doesn't help. Then we transfer the strength control to this steering room and control the direction of the vessel movement directly from there. The chief engineer of our vessel, Andrey, will tell you more details about the emergency control mode of the vessel from the steering room. Please listen to the following instruction. Find the instruction on the bulkhead. Stop the oil pumps and set the toggle switch to stop. Switch the toggle switch from bridge control to local control. Restarting the oil pump again. We contact the navigational bridge using the emergency phone and receive instructions on how to operate the rudder. For example, 10 degrees to the port or 10 degrees to the starboard, etc. The scale for indicating the position of the rudder blade is here. In this case, the gyro compass repeaters on the navigational bridge and in the steering room compartment must be matched. At the end, we return all emergency control elements of the vessel to their initial state. We can do exactly the same thing with the second emergency control system. The same emergency steering can be done using special operational levers. This is the position where the levers need to be inserted in order to operate the steering device in an emergency. However, the latter method is very complicated. I hope that this video was useful to you and will help you avoid similar situation in the future. 7 feet under the keel to you, to everybody, and safe work. And this is the Baltimore bridge before the disaster. The cost of repairing the bridge is estimated at between 400 and 800 million US dollars. Thank you for your attention.